So we decided to call Mr. Baulesch because we had actually started a big renovation project in this house, and we needed to find an artisan who could create closets, integrated closets and different items for the entrance of the house.
We were recommended by a colleague of ours. Well, it's more a friend, a neighbor. She had already worked with Mr. Baulesch in the past. She was very, very happy, and she recommended him to us, and we are very satisfied.
So what was great with Mr. Baulesch is that he took the time to come and see us and try to understand our needs. Really, that was very important because we were not very clear about what we wanted. We knew the kind of things that we wanted, but it was not very clear. So it was very important for us to share that with Mr. Baulesch. He came several times, and it was very professional. We actually, I think he really captured our needs very, very well, and in the end, the whole process was very smooth. The workers, the time that it took, and also the fact that they kept the place very clean and very tidy was really, really, really good. So I can say that we had a really terrific experience with Mr. Baulesch.
Yeah, we can just recommend him.